Okay, let us go to question number 3. The table you can see that a life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age. If the policies are given only to the persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. Okay, see the table. Below 20 years old, 2 people are given policies. Below 25 was given 6. That means below 25 means including below 20. So the cumulative frequency is given by the question. Okay, let's find out the value. Okay, the question is very clearly given. Ages in years. Below 20, how many policy holders? There are 2 policy holders there below 20 years. But again coming below 25. Below 25 means including below 20 will come. See, the teacher is asking who is getting below 20 marks. So I was saying 2 of them lifting. Yes, I am getting below 20 marks. If the teacher who got below 25 marks, 6 of them get up. The 2 students again will get up because that they are also coming under the below 25. Below 25 means 20 also comes under the below 25. They will be included. So when I ask below 30, that means 24 students there. Out of 24 students, there 6 students will be included. Who is getting below 20? Who is getting below 25? This all comes under the below 30. So this is given, cumulative frequency is given. You have to make it a simple frequency. Okay, see that the size of the cluster will interval to make it equal. Size you can say. Here 20, 25, 30, 35. The size of the class interval is become 5 increases, right? You have to make equal sizes class interval. So what you can make here 15 to 20. You can take 15 to because the students are the policy holders are more than 18 years old, right? Will not come into 0 and all, right? So 15 to 20, how many? 2 of them. 20 to 25, how many you have to see? See, below 25, 6 of them. Out of the below 22 of them. 20 to 25, 6 minus 2, 4 people will be getting, right? And 25 to 30, one said, below 25, how many? 6 of them will be removed from 24. 24 minus 6 can remove it. We will get 20 to 25 years old, how many policy holders? We can say that. So we can find it in this way. So we are going to convert it into the class interval and frequency and cumulative frequency form. Here no class interval is given. It is given cumulative frequency is given. You have to make it into simple frequencies. Okay. First what to do? The interval 15 to 20. Okay. The width is become only 5 because 20, 25, 30. So 15 to 20 will come first. Don't put 0 to 20, right? Okay. Then 20 to 25. So 25 to 30. 30 to 35. The size of the class interval is 5. That's why you take like that. 35 to 40. 40 to 45. 45 to 50. 50 to 55. 55 to 60. Right. Now it make the simple frequency. 15 to 20, yes, below 20, that means 15 to 20, the same value, only 2. And 20 to 25, we know, below 25, 6. Below 20 become 2. We remove the, up to 20 you can remove it. How much come here? 6 minus 2. It is 4. The same manner, 24 minus 6. 24 minus 6, it is 18. Next, so 30, 35. So below 35 is 45. 45. From 24 remove it. 45 minus 24. It is 21. Next what come here? The same way I can go. 78 minus 45. 78 minus 45, 33. Right. Next 89 minus 78. 89 minus 78 is become 11. Yes, 89 minus 78 is 11 and 92 minus 89. I think it is 3. Okay, so 98 minus 92. It is 6. So 100 minus 98. It is 2. I hope you understand how to make the simple frequency. Yes, yes. Okay, now you can make cumulative frequency. How to make cumulative frequency? 15 to 20, how many? 2 of them, yes. 15 to 25, how many? That means that's called below 25, 15 to 25. 2 plus 4, 6, yes. Coming or not? Then 15 to 30. So 6 plus 18, 24. As it is, you can write 45 and 78 and 89 and 92 and 98 and 100. Okay, you will be getting that. Now we have to find the median. Okay, just go for the median. First you have to find the n value. N is so much, you'll add together, it is coming 100. If you add together, it is coming 100. So n by 2. N by 2. N by 2 means 100 divided by 2. 100 divided by 2 becomes 50. So in the cumulative frequency, where is 50 you can see? N by 2. The middle number, n divided by 2 becomes 50. Whether 50 is there or not, you can check. If not there, next greatest number. Okay, 45 is there. 50 is not there. Okay, next greatest number, over 50. 78 is the next number, because other number is not there. 51 is not there, 52 is not there, 78 is there. The next greatest number is 78. Okay, this is the greatest number. From here directly comes the cumulative frequency. How much? Sorry, what is the class size? You can see 35 to 40. So the cumulative frequency 78, 50 falls under the 78. So the size of the median class is equal to 35 to 40, right? Okay, so the 50 comes here. So the median class become, therefore the median class is how much that? It is 35 to 40. So L is the lower limit of the median class. Lower limit is become 35, and L is the lower limit of the median class. This is the median class 35 to 40. Because 50 falls under 78. So this is the lower limit. Then F means what is that? F is the frequency of the median class. This is the median class now. Median class, this one is like a frequency is become 33. 33 is the frequency of the median class. 33. And CF means cumulative frequency preceding the median class. This is the median class. Median class like a frequency 78. But cumulative frequency previously, what is the preceding? 45. CF is a cumulative frequency of the median class preceding cumulative frequency of the median class preceding. Okay, right. Now H is equal to width of the class interval. What is the width of the class interval? 20 minus 15. 20 minus 15, it is 5. Okay, therefore median. Let's find the median. Median is equal to L plus, we know the formula, n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So L value we know 35, and n by 2 we know 50, and CF cumulative frequency we know 45, and frequencies we know 33, into H is become 5. Okay, 35 plus 50 minus 45 is become 5 by 33 into 5. Okay, so 35, 5 5s are 25 divided by 33. So 25 divided by 33. So we can divide it now. How much getting 25 divided by 33? We can check. How much that? 25 divided by 33 is, okay, 0.76 coming, but you want to check 25 divided by 33. This cannot go 0, adding 1 0, right? And 7 times 21, 7 times going, 7 3s are 21, 2 in n, 21 plus 2, 23, yes, right? It is 19. Okay, adding 1 0. Right now, it may go 6 times, we'll see, 6 times or 5 times going. Okay, 6 times. 6 3s are 18, 1 in n, 18 plus 1, 19. So it will go 5 times. 5 times. 5 3s are 15. 1 is 16. So it is come here. Now 5, 25. 25, 1 0. So I think it will go here 250, again go into 7 times. Right? 7 times become 231. Okay, it's gone. It's a more than 5, 1 extra. So much come here 35 plus 0.76. So add together. So 35, how to add, you know, 35, a 2 place of decimal 0.00. and 0.76 will be added. 6, 7, okay, 5 and 3. So 35.76. So the median is become 35.76. In the unit is years, so you can put it into years. The average age of the you can say the median age of the policy holders are 35.76 years. So you can conclude your answer. Okay, I hope you understand. Another nice question, this one. Okay, let's go to question number 4.